How to delete an account on Netflix. Hey everybody, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to learn how we can delete account on Netflix. So just make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you wish to delete your account on Netflix, just go ahead and then launch the Netflix application and log into your respective account. Once you log into your account, this is the option that you will be able to see. Now what you want to do is, after you log in, tap on the My Netflix from the bottom right of the screen as you can see. When you've done that, tap on the three lines menu icon located at the top right hand side. It says More, so just make sure to tap on that option. When you do that, from the bottom again you have to select this option that says Account and then just make sure to tap on it. Then when you go to the account option from Netflix, you will land on this particular page. Now we're trying to delete our account, so just scroll down. When you scroll down all the way to the very bottom, you can see the option that says Delete Account. So tap the Delete Account button there, and it might ask you for a confirmation to enter a code that will be sent to your email, and once you've confirmed the code, your account on Netflix will be successfully deleted. This way you can delete your Netflix account. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon as always in the next video.